how a tech professional should navigate into finding a good operator,
Mhm.
into at least creating that awareness in his
Yeah.
mind. Because you know how it is, our memory lasts only for a few days. Today I
Oh
will
yeah.
listen to a podcast and I'll forget about it after a couple, after a week.
Yeah.
And nobody would remember that Chris said something. So it is a lot of work for them, at least to start finding the, creating these. I mean, I'm just coming in from my background. Okay,
Yeah, for sure.
I'm an immigrant. I'm an immigrant. I work 9 to 9, and I do not have time even to find an
Oh, for sure.
operator. I do not know what an operator means, what a multifamily means.
Yeah.
How should they get involved? I mean, what is something that comes to your mind? And I'm putting you on the spot right now. It's a
I love
difficult
it.
question.
Yeah, no, I think it's a very important question. And as you're a very busy tech professional, you also have to time manage your time properly to build wealth, to reinvest all that money that you're accumulating into other asset classes. And with doing so, I think one thing that a lot of tech professionals can utilize is social media to their advantage. A lot of operators and sponsors on social media, and you may not know what an operator or sponsor is. An operator or sponsor is someone who manages and controls the deal. For example, QC Capital is an operator and sponsor. We manage and control the deal, which means that we locate the deal as a company. We do the due diligence. We then present the investment opportunity to our investing partners, which are passive investors. And from there, they then go ahead and sign the subscription documents and then invest into the deal as a passive investor. Meanwhile, for us, they're receiving monthly distributions with monthly updates on how the property's performing, also quarterly financials. Any other questions, they email it into us and we answer those questions. After that, they really just get the mailbox money, they call it, or we direct wire. We do have some investors that like mailbox money, but we do direct wires, deposits into the accounts. But they just sit back and they let us control the property, run the property, and perform it to the business strategy. We then will go ahead as sponsors and operators, know when the right timing is to sell. And then from there, we'll sell 1031 that into a new property. And so to find sponsors and operators, social media, Facebook is a very great tool. LinkedIn is a very great tool to get into closed Facebook groups, to get on there and to start networking and building those relationships. You're going to have to start somewhere, and I think that's going to be the easiest way to start is Facebook, social media. You can also start Google. We have a lot of leads that come in on a monthly basis organically from Google because they Google real estate companies. They Google 1031, tax benefits. They want to know that things, and we pop up and they inquire. So Google is another great source to find real estate private equity companies that focus on acquiring multifamily or any other type of real estate asset class.
So in the end, you said real estate private equity company, right?
Yes.
I think that is the key for somebody to understand. If they want to invest in real estate, they should potentially go to Google and look for private equity companies.